Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant at Solve.cloud, where we help companies automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce. And today we're going to be diving into the question that's on a lot of researchers' minds. How exactly should we be using artificial intelligence in our work? It's a powerful tool, but knowing how to wield it effectively can be the real game changer. Now, the first thing to understand is that AI isn't here to replace researchers. Think of it more as an incredibly capable research assistant, one that can handle tasks that are often time-consuming and data-intensive, freeing you up to focus on the higher-level thinking, analysis, and groundbreaking insights that you can provide. So where can AI really shine in your research workflow? Let's break down some key areas. First up, literature review. Imagine sifting through hundreds, even thousands of research papers. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of text in a fraction of the time it would take a human, identifying key themes, related studies, and even potential gaps in the existing knowledge. This can save you countless hours and ensure you're not missing crucial information. Next, we have data analysis. Whether you're working with quantitative or qualitative data, AI algorithms can help you identify patterns, trends, and correlations that might be difficult or impossible to spot with traditional methods. This can lead to deeper insights and more robust conclusions. Think of machine learning models that can predict outcomes or natural language processing that can extract sentiment from survey responses. Another powerful application is in hypothesis generation and experiment design. While AI can't come up with truly novel ideas out of thin air, it can analyze existing data and literature to suggest potential relationships and avenues for investigation. It can also assist in optimizing experimental parameters to maximize efficiency and minimize bias. Don't forget about data visualizations and communications. AI can help you create compelling and informative visualizations of complex datasets, making your findings more accessible and impactful to a wider audience. This can be particularly useful when presenting your research or publishing your results. And finally, automation of routine tasks. From data cleaning and pre-processing to report generation, AI can automate many of the more tedious aspects of research, freeing up your time and energy for more intellectually stimulating work. Okay, let's jump into a quick example of this. I just wanted to show one of my favorite research tools, just Perplexity. Even though there's tons of other great research tools out there, such as ChatGPT's deep research or Gemini's deep research, or just those platforms in general, I really like Perplexity just because it gives you more of a detailed report on what the actual sources that it's using it are. So I already have a prompt written in here. It says, what are the documented negative impacts of prolonged social media use on the self-esteem of adolescents according to recent peer-reviewed studies? So I'm just going to push enter on that, and it starts to kind of give me a few things about that. Document negative impacts of prolonged social media, shows all these different effects, gives me a summary table, a conclusion, and it even gives me like related things about that question that I asked, which I can click on, and it will go into that as well, which is actually really cool. Another feature that I really like about this is that it has sources. You can go there and you can see all the sources it used to give you this information. So maybe if you want to read a little bit more on something, then you could click one of these and look more into that. But yeah, that is just one of the many AI tools that you can use. There are so many out there that can help you. Deep research is awesome. But this is just one example of how AI can really help you as you're researching. The key takeaway here is that AI in research is about augmentation, not replacement. It's about leveraging these powerful tools to enhance your capabilities, accelerate your discovery, and ultimately produce more impactful research. As you explore incorporating AI into your research, remember to start with clear research questions and identify specific tasks where AI can provide the most value. Experiment with different tools and techniques, and always critically evaluate the AI's output. Okay, that is all that I have for you today. Thank you for following along. Moving forward, though, I do want to challenge you to try out your own research with AI. Try deep research, try Perplexity, try a different AI platform, see which ones work best for you. Or if you would like to see more videos like this one that go over AI, Salesforce, Revenue Cloud, so many different videos, head over to the Solve.cloud YouTube channel, where there's tons of consultants just like me who make amazing videos that will help you so much as you're navigating through the world of AI and automation. And lastly, make sure to like, comment, or share this video with your friends, with your family, whoever, and spread the word of how AI is really changing research. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.